Assalamualaikum Columbus. Welcome to the Community Service Day at AhlulBayt Society of Columbus, Ohio. This is me, Sarah Ansari, and I like to say, the community that serves together stays together. This event is organized by Tree of Emaan in Hussain spirit. Tree of Emaan is a youth-driven initiative that talks about making a difference, not just in the community, but outside of it as well. Volunteers are all set for a big day. Let's go and have a look.
Services of Ohio, and I would say that every year, for the past several years, Tree of Emaan has very graciously committed both youth and adults towards some service projects.
Money and doing bake sales and all the things that you guys did to figure out how to solve this problem. My name is Emily and I'm with Family Mentor Foundation. We're a nonprofit that supports kids who are hungry on the weekend. By meeting their unmet need for food, we're hopefully making it easier for them to succeed in the classroom and deal with some of their issues at home.
It helps meeting children and it makes me happy. I have fun and I help someone.
Recite salawat for the sisters who are doing the blankets. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
Regardless of the demographics or the religions, anything like that, they are donating things to the human beings, which is basically the bottom line message of our great Islam as a religion.
I'm going to help all the homeless people, all the homeless kids who need this stuff. All the kids know, doesn't matter what religion, doesn't matter what race, doesn't matter who they are.
The whole community has come up, especially the youth of the community are very excited about today's event. We have no-sew blankets, we have buddy boxes, and we have kindness cards. The purpose of the event is to spread humanity, compassion, and peace in the society and in Columbus, and to make Columbus a kinder place.
I brought my 9-year-old daughter, just important for her to see, that it's important to put in some time for, bettering the community and helping the needy.
Everything I would like to say is on one accord. 200 buddy boxes and 30 blankets were made and donated and will be distributed by the Family Mentor Foundation to the children in need. For more information about this event, please follow and like the Tree of Emaan page on Facebook, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is me, Sarah Ansari, signing off. Allah Hafiz.